Welcome back. A typical day here in the Coastal Empire and Low Country. A happy Monday to you as well. Another pop-up rainstorm, and you're watching these storms closely.
Yeah, and with the heat that we've been dealing with, it has been a hot day. We do run the risk of having some strong and severe storms developing, and that's what's happening out in Screven County, where we do have a severe warned storm at the moment. We had some heavy downpours here in Savannah, but looking off to the north across downtown, we can definitely see more cloud cover coming into the view, and that's the view for us right now on Viper radar. What was moving through downtown Savannah already pushing off coastal Chatham County. Mainly heavy rain was associated with that, along with quite a bit of lightning, but the stronger cells are further inland right now. This cell is warned across Screven County near Sylvania and Hiltona along 301 and Highway 21 until 4:30. It is moving southward generally around 15 miles per hour and is likely producing wind gusts in excess of 50 and 60 miles per hour, along with heavy rain and a lot of lightning. So definitely stay indoors until this does pass. All these storms that are developing do have that potential to produce a lot of lightning and even strong winds. Same thing with what is moving out of Hampton County now into northern Effingham County and into further south. It will eventually hold together and make its way into Bryan County, but it is now pushing through coastal Chatham and Bryan County, mainly off of the coast now, but still some heavy rain setting up just to the south of Richmond Hill, crossing over into Liberty County. Fancy Hall, looking at some pretty heavy rain, and anything that pops up again will have that potential to produce some strong and gusty winds. Where the rain has been heavy, temperature is quickly cooling off, but still very hot where conditions have been dry. Temperatures currently in the middle and upper 90s, 98 degrees right now for Darien, but feeling as hot as 109 degrees in Darien, 108 in Statesboro. A little bit better for us in Savannah right now because of the heavy rain that moved through, but those temperatures will rebound a bit before we head into the early evening hours. And because of all the humidity and the hot air and the possibility, or the likelihood I should say, of experiencing those heat index values of 105 to 110, most of the area is included in a heat advisory until this evening, until the temperatures start to drop off. But even as we do go into the overnight, conditions will remain very warm. Lows just getting down into the upper 70s for most of us. That heat is going to be an issue for tomorrow as well. Not too bad for Wednesday and Thursday, but that heat will be an issue again heading into the holiday week. And the 4th of July itself, we will have heat index values as high as 105 degrees. So definitely stay cool and hydrated over the next week or so. And as we do look ahead for as far as the setup around the southeast, you have a frontal boundary moving from the north. That's what's helping to initiate those showers and storms, but that high pressure really setting us up for very hot conditions over the next few days. But a few isolated storms possible throughout this evening and again on Tuesday, and some of those will be on the stronger side because of all the hot air that we are dealing with. So as far as going into this evening, things will settle down going into the overnight hours, but then as we head through the day tomorrow, those storms will start to develop once again going into the afternoon hours, and that will cool a few of us off at least after those storms move through. For tonight, those storms will be with us at least early on, with those temperatures staying in the upper 70s. Hot and humid for tomorrow afternoon, drying out a bit for Wednesday and Thursday. A low and shower and thunderstorm chance possible for Friday and for Independence Day. Those temperatures creeping up back into the middle and upper 90s with much hotter heat index values expected. That's a check of your weather forecast for now. We'll have more coming up in just a few moments.
Scott, thank you.